Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally for your company. Tally is a powerful accounting software designed to simplify your business operations. It helps you manage all your financial transactions, from sales and purchases to inventory and payroll, with ease. By streamlining these processes, Tally saves you valuable time and significantly reduces the potential for errors, ensuring your financial records are always accurate and up-to-date. To begin, you will need to set up your company in Tally. This involves creating a new company file and entering crucial details such as your company name, address, and the financial year. You will also configure your base currency and other statutory information. Remember to enable specific features like inventory management or goods and services, tax compliance as needed, and always set up robust security controls to protect your valuable financial data. Once your company is set up, you can start managing your daily transactions. Tally allows you to easily record all sales, purchases, receipts, and payments. For inventory, create stock items with their respective units of measure and track their movements. This ensures accurate stock levels at all times. Don't forget to regularly reconcile your bank statements within Tally to maintain precise and up-to-date financial records for your business. Tally offers a wide array of reports crucial for financial analysis. You can generate a balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and cash flow statement with just a few clicks. These reports provide invaluable insights into your company's financial health and performance. Use ratio analysis to evaluate efficiency and profitability. All reports can be easily exported for further review, auditing, or compliance purposes, empowering you to make informed business decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.